Let's learn IIB. Today, I will demo how to restrict access to a SOAP web service using LDAP username and password. In production, there are many ways to restrict access. You can restrict access with firewall, IP whitelisting, using client credentials, and many more. Today, we will use LDAP to bring security to our SOAP web service. Apache Directory Studio is an Eclipse-based rich client program intended to be used with any LDAP server. However, it is particularly designed for use with Apache DS, which comes inbuilt with the Studio installer. Create new LDAP server and start it. A connection with these parameters has been created. Default admin password is secret. You can create Kerberos server with Apache Active Directory Studio. This is useful if you want to set up WS security in IIB for Kerberos. Default entries are shown for DC equals example and DC com. Let me know in comments what critical services you would like to restrict access to. Which flows are dangerous if left unchecked? Reply in comments. Without AD protection, we first have to create an integration service, deploy and test it. Use hello world v1_is project from my GitHub page. Link in description. Then create security profile, configurable service. Store service account details on broker registry and reload the broker. Set security profile name on flow within the bar file and deploy it. On accessing the flow, now I get a prompt for credentials as expected. On providing correct credentials, access is granted to the service. If you do not provide username and password, you get this error. If you provide incorrect username and password, you get this error. Use this Java snippet to verify connection from Java to LDAP. Trial and error on IIB is time consuming. Use Java to quickly resolve LDAP search string issues. What did we learn today? We learned how to create and connect to LDAP server, how to configure IIB to use LDAP, how to use UI client, how to use SOAP UI client to pass credentials to the SOAP web service and test it. If you found the video to be useful, subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Code is available in GitHub and some documentation is available in the blog post. Links in description. See you in the next video.